In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make tables in Obsidian. Obsidian uses Markdown tables, which are built with vertical bars for the columns and hyphens for the header divider, and then displayed as a clean grid in live preview. So let's walk through how to set one up. Start by looking over at the File Explorer on the left side of the Obsidian window. Find the note where you want your table to live, and go ahead and click on it once so it opens up in the main editor area. With the note now open, move your cursor over to the blank body area that sits just under the note title, and click into it. This puts you in editing mode and gets you ready to start adding content to the page. Next, type out a short heading for your table. This is just a quick label so you know what the table is about when you scroll back through your note later. Once your heading is in place, press the Enter key twice. The first press ends the heading line, and the second press gives you a clean blank line to start the table on. Now you can type your Markdown table. Use a vertical bar to separate each column and put a row of hyphens between the header row and the data rows, so Obsidian knows where the header ends. Fill in your column titles in the top row, then add your rows of information underneath, one line at a time, keeping the bars lined up between each cell. Once the table is typed out, click on the blank line directly below the table. This moves your cursor out of the table editing area and lets Obsidian render it properly. Now look at the table in the note body and confirm it shows up correctly as a neat grid, with each column lined up and each header sitting cleanly above its data. If you notice that one of your cells is too long and stretches the column out further than you would like, click inside that cell and type a shorter status in its place to tidy it up. Finally, click the blank line below the table one more time. This locks in the change and brings the table back into its rendered grid view, ready to read at a glance. And now you know how to make tables in Obsidian.